Do you want to make a lasting impression on potential clients from your very first conversation? It's not about having the perfect pitch. It's about being an exceptional listener. Today, we'll uncover how active listening can help you stand out and win over clients from the get-go. Active listening is a game changer in business development. Most people think that winning over clients is about what you say, but often it's actually about how well you listen. When clients feel truly heard, you've already won half the battle. When the client is speaking, focus intently on their words and don't interrupt. Instead, repeat back what they've said in your own words. For example, you could say, "So, what I'm hearing is that XYZ. Is that correct?" This technique, called mirroring, shows that you're actively engaged and ensures you fully understand their needs. Once you've confirmed you understand, take it a step further. Ask open-ended questions like, "Can you tell me more about the challenges you're facing?" Or, "What would your ideal outcome look like?" These questions encourage the client to dive deeper into their needs, giving you more insight into how to approach the conversation. Beyond understanding your client's needs, it's crucial to make them feel that you genuinely care. Empathy is one of the most powerful tools for building trust quickly. When a client expresses frustration or excitement, acknowledge their feelings. You might say something like, "It sounds like that's been really challenging," or, "I can see why you're excited about this opportunity." This small gesture shows that you're not just listening to their words but also connecting with them on a deeper level. Once you've established empathy, it can be helpful to share an experience of your own that's relevant. This lets the client know you understand their situation not just in theory but from a place of experience. Keep it brief, and ensure it directly relates to their issue. This way, you're adding value without derailing the conversation.